Last time we have seen how to add the two expressions, means the addition of the expressions here. Now we will see one example of subtraction of the two expressions. In our algebraic expression and identities, the first example is subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Means we have to subtract the first expression from the second expression. So we will write the second expression first. So 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y minus the second, means the first expression here, that is 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Here I have written the first expression in the bracket, because we know that the outside the bracket minus sign is there. So while coming the terms outside the bracket, their sign will get changed, and therefore here 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y as it is. And now I will change the signs of the terms in the bracket. So 5x square will become minus 5x square, minus 4y square will become plus 4y square, plus 6y will become minus 6y, and minus 3 will become plus 3. Now in the second or the next step, here we have to collect the like terms. Means in the first bracket I have taken 7x square and its like term, that is minus 5x square. Complete the bracket, then plus sign, then into second bracket minus 4xy, but its like term is not there. So complete the bracket and then plus sign, write the first sign, a plus sign, and in the third bracket 8y square and its like term plus 4y square. So 8y square plus 4y square, bracket complete, plus sign. Then into the fourth bracket I have written 5x, but it has no like term. So complete the bracket, then plus into the next bracket minus 3y, and its like term is minus 6y. So here all the like terms I have collected in single bracket, then plus 3 as it is, Now 7x square minus 5x square, it will be 2x square. Since there is plus sign outside the bracket, the sign of the term will not get changed, and so I will write here minus 4xy. Then 8y square plus 4y square means 12y square plus 5x as it is, minus 3y and minus 6y, that is equal to minus 9y and plus 3. Here I have subtracted horizontally by horizontal method, and now by applying vertical method we will subtract these two expressions. So here I have written 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y as it is, and below, while writing the first expression, I have put the terms which are like. So here below 7x square I have taken 5x square, minus 4xy has no another like term, so I have written there 0. Then 8y square, its like term is minus 4y square. Again plus 5x has no like term, its like term is not there, so I have written here 0. Minus 3y and plus 6y and minus 3 as it is. Since we are going to subtract, I have changed the signs of the terms written at the below. So 5x square will become minus 5x square, minus 4y square will become plus, then plus 6y will become minus, and minus 3 will become plus. And now we will subtract here 7x square minus 5x square, it will be 2x square. Then minus 4xy as it is. Here 8y square plus 4y square, it will be 12y square. Then plus 5x as it is. Minus 3y and minus 6y, it will be minus 9y and plus 3 as it is. So in this way, by both the methods, we got the same answer here. And now there is a second question that add the following. Here in the first question it is given that add AB minus BC, then second expression BC minus CA, and the third expression CA minus AB. Since we have to add here AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB, here again we have collected the like terms in the brackets. Then AB and minus AB I have taken in the first bracket, plus into second bracket minus BC and plus BC, bracket complete, plus into third bracket minus CA and plus CA. Here AB minus AB, it will be 0, plus minus BC and plus BC again 0, and minus CA plus CA is 0. So our answer is 0. Now in the second question, we have to add A minus B plus AB, comma, B minus C plus BC, comma, C minus A plus AC. Here A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Here again I have collected the like terms in the bracket. So here A and minus A I have taken in the first bracket, plus minus B and plus B in the second bracket, bracket complete, plus minus C and plus C in the third bracket, plus AB as it is, plus BC as it is, and plus AC or CA as it is. And now here A minus A, it will be 0, plus minus B and plus B again 0, plus minus C and plus C is 0, plus AB plus BC plus CA. That is our answer is AB plus BC plus CA. So it was the second example, and now we have to solve the third example, which is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, and comma, the second expression is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Here we have to add these two expressions. So here we will get 2p square q square minus 3p square q square, that is the like terms I have taken together in the first bracket, plus minus 3pq and plus 7pq in the second bracket, and the only numbers, that is plus 4 and plus 5, so 4 plus 5 in the third bracket. Here 2 minus 3, it will be minus 1, or only minus p square q square, plus here minus 3pq plus 7pq, then its subtraction will be plus 4pq and 4 plus 5 will be plus 9. So our answer is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Now here we have to solve the third example, in which it is given that subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Means here we will write the second expression first. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. I have written the first expression in the bracket so that the terms while coming outside the bracket, they will get their signs changed. Here 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 as it is. Here plus 4a become minus 4a, minus 7a becomes plus 7ab, then plus 3b will become minus 3b, and plus 12 will become minus 12. Now again I have collected all the like terms. Here 12a minus 4a, so these are the like terms collected in the first bracket, plus minus 9ab and plus 7ab, minus 9ab and plus 7ab are taken in the second bracket, plus 5b and minus 3b in the third bracket, plus minus 3 and minus 12 in the fourth bracket. Here 12a minus 4a, it will be 8a, then minus 9ab and plus 7ab, it will be minus 2ab, then 5b minus 3b will be 2b, and minus 3 minus 12, it will be minus 15. So here 8a minus 2ab plus 2b and minus 15 is the answer. Here I have subtracted by vertical method also. Now I have written 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 first, and below it I have written the like terms of the corresponding terms. So here 12a and 4a, then minus 9ab and minus 7ab, here plus 5b and plus 3b, here minus 3 and plus 12. But since we have to subtract, we have to change the signs of the terms at the below. So 4a will become minus 4a, minus 7ab becomes plus 4ab plus 7ab, plus 3b will become minus 3b, and plus 12 will become minus 12. And now 12a minus 4a, it will be 8a, minus 9ab and plus 7ab, it will be 9 minus 7, it will be 2ab, and give the sign of greater number here. So 5b minus 3b, it will be plus 2b, and minus 3 and minus 12 will be minus 15. So like this, here we have got the same answer by horizontal method as well as vertical method. And now we will see one more example of the subtraction, that is subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So here first of all we will write the second expression, because we have to subtract the first term from the second expression, first expression from the second expression. So 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q, and I have written the like corresponding like terms below it. So here 18 and minus 10, because these are the only numbers, then minus 3p and minus 8p, these are the like terms. minus 11q and plus 7q also are the like terms here, plus 5q pq and minus 3pq. Then next minus 2pq square and plus 5pq square plus 5p square q and 4p square q. And now we will change the sign since there is subtraction. So minus 10 will become plus 10, minus 8p will become plus 8p, plus 7q will become minus 7q, minus 3pq will become plus 3pq, plus 5pq square will become minus, plus 4p square q will become minus. Now here 18 plus 10, it will be 28, minus 3p and plus 8p, it will be plus 5p. Then minus 11q and minus 7q, it will be minus 18q. Then plus 5q and plus 3pq, if 5 plus 3, it will be 8pq. Then minus here minus 2pq square and plus, minus 5pq square, it will be minus 7pq square. And the last plus 5p square q and minus 4p square q, it will be p square q.